Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be unboxing a Johnny Lightning diecast car. My first Johnny Lightning video, actually. And Johnny Lightning is made by Playing Mantis, as Hot Wheels is made by Mattel. Playing Mantis makes the Johnny Lightning diecast cars. Johnny Lightnings are still made today. They debuted in like the 80s or something, I'm not sure, 90s maybe. This is a limited edition vehicle from the Corvette Collection. And this is the 1998 Corvette Convertible. And die-cast metal body and chassis. And comes with a bonus photo card in the packaging right there. It says ages 6 and up. Not for children under 3 years. So, don't know about the children 4 to 5 years old. Anyways, you can read all that. I like the packaging design, and I'm opening it because it's got soft corners, and once I get my Plano cases, I can display this on my wall. Here's the other cards you can get from the series, and you can read anything you would like to. Corvette was 47 years old when this car was made, so 47 plus 53 equals 2000. So this vehicle was a 2000 Johnny Lightning release, and copyright is right there. Made in China, this one is, and there's a deal you could have. Back then, I think it's worth a lot more than $15.95 now. But enough talking about this. I just want to get this open and see what it's all about. Actually feels kind of good to get it all open finally. And we'll actually look at that photo card first. And brand new photo card, 1998 Corvette Convertible. You can see that there. Johnny Lightning Corvette Collection. This photo card is from 2000 and nothing on the back. It's actually quite thick. So I can display this with the Corvette. The Corvette actually came with a mold like a protector. I might keep that on me. I'll just rip the card off. Look at that. Alright, let's get this out. This thing can finally breathe. After how many years? 22 years. Now, look at this 1998 Corvette Convertible. And as you can see, this is an awesome looking ride. And opening hood, right there, you can see the die-cast engine in there. It opens like this, so it's kind of hard to tell what the engine is. But this is awesome. This is definitely the highest quality car I've ever unboxed on this channel. And you can see the Corvette logo right there with the headlights. And more headlights right on the front there. This thing is quite cool. And I am liking those mags, those rims right there. Those spun very well. And what are they? They're like 5-spoke, kind of like classic vehicle wheels. And you can see the black interior. It's got a textured floor. The detail on this thing is amazing. Right in the middle there, you can see the Corvette logo, the emblem. And there is the windshield, whatever you want to call it. Classic American car. Looks very sleek in the design. It's a 1998 vehicle. So I'd imagine they looked pretty sleek back then. I love these slick tires. They're slicks, no treads on them, but they are definitely like real rider material. They're not plastic. They're like rubbery. I think. No. I didn't read it that carefully. Nope, it doesn't say anything about rubber tires, so I think we have plastic tires on this one. But it's still awesome. It would be a great racer then. Look at those taillights. Oh my goodness. Magnificent Corvette taillights. You can see that there. It says Corvette there if you tilt it. And there's another logo right there. It's a side light. This is a beautiful Johnny Lightning diecast vehicle. Wonder if there's any more moving parts. I don't see doors. I don't see trunk. Look at that though. Look at that. This would be a great one to race. Because this is metal on metal. Metal base, metal on the Body, 1998 Corvette used under license, and you can see 1999 playing Mantis made in China. And actually has plastic wheels. But like I said, plastic wheels is good for racing, especially considering the fact that this is an extremely heavy car, and these wheels actually spin very well, so I can't wait to race this in the future. I might race it a little bit, but I want to keep this nice and mint for my Plano case. Thanks to everyone that tuned in and watched me unbox this 1998 Corvette Johnny Lightning from 2000 with the bonus photo card included. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.